Okay, welcome to the radial survey folio. Now we've talked about the introduction before, so now we're going to just jump into the research measurement section. I'm going to be using Google Earth, okay, and I basically want to get the details for about 6 triangles. Now we've used the online version of Google Earth. This is actually the separate program. Okay, apparently I just need to sit back and let the computer do the work for me. Here we are. Now I'm going to first of all construct a sequence of triangles using the path tool, and then I'll come back and measure them separately using the ruler. So the ruler and the path tool both look here, but first up I'm going to make a path. So I guess I'm going to start with the triangle that sort of chops out this whole section. I'm going to use the red dot as my sort of radial spot. All the triangles come from one place. So a path. So to one more time, that's to the ruler tool, and I'm going to choose path. So click on here, click here, and it will make a dot up to there. Click again and drag the mouse over to here, and then I'll click and drag it to the corner. So maybe I need this to get a bit more accurate. Right, won't be able to get totally accurate for such a small triangle, and then I'm going to bring this to the middle. So I clicked, I'm going to click and drag. That's my first sort of triangle done. So I'll click save. Now later on I'm going to come and measure these pieces. So I'm going to first of all I'm going to make another triangle with the path tool. Path, click in the middle here. Now, get a situation like this, you need to move around. You can use the arrow keys. Right, and I'll click here, and then I'm going to click towards the end. So I've clicked, and then I need to drag this out towards the end. Okay, and I might click save. Now I can come along with a ruler and measure those two pieces in a minute. So make a new triangle on the path tool. Click in the middle. Let's drag this to the edge. So it's a bit hard to see what's going on with the shadow here, so I'll go here to make a nice triangle. And click again, drag this to here. Now here's an estimate. Maybe I can move this a little bit more there, get a bit more accurate, and save. Now I'm going to make, whoop, it didn't save. Forgot to save. Click, click. And then click again, drag it over to the edge and save. So that's there. Now I could continue this, but I want the video to not go for forever, so now I just need to, every now and then you might need to reset. So we're going to go back here and reset out of the 3D view. Now I'm just going to use this not as a path maker but as a ruler. So I'm going to just click and measure this distance. So this is 688. Right, 668. Okay, so I'm going to scoot over there. 668 is going to be the left hand side of my first triangle. 668 meters. Back to Google Earth. So I click out of that. So now I want to right click. So I want to click from here down to there. This is the base angle, the outer edge. 1750, I think, is what that sort of looks like. $17.38. So it's really important that we have a good structure for recording our numbers here, 1738. Now I want the right edge of the first triangle. Okay, the right edge of the first triangle, which is this number. So click out, and then we'll drag this up to here. So the right edge of the first triangle is 16. I can zoom in here. Okay, 1607. 1607. Now these two numbers I'm actually going to work out with using some mathematics. Okay, you are able to work out the entire area using the Google Earth tools, but that's not what we're looking for. So that was triangle A. Now at some point I need to have some way of keeping track of this. So I'm going to just take a screenshot as where I'm up to. And now I'm going to write an A, B, C in Word on there. Print screen. Crop this down. Enlarge it. Okay, so inside this picture, just so I know what's going on, this one was going to be triangle number letter A. Right, order on top. Bring to the front. Send to the back. I think I've already done that, haven't I? It's already gone tight. Behind text. No, I just want, it's not so much the image as the text box is supposed to default to going on top of things. That's supposed to be the default. Well, back in 1997, now everybody's going to wonder what we're talking about on the internet now. Anyway, I've labelled triangle A, just so I know what's going on. Now, let's check this. 668 is the left side. 1738 is the base. 1607 is this side. We need to fill out this table. We'll do the maths for this. The maths for one of these triangles, finding internal angle and finding the area, should be typed in down here. For the others, you can just do it on paper. Okay, that's where we're at. That's the start of the folio. Good luck.